Hello and welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. Today we'll be walking through how to download and install Coreform Cubit on your computer. So when you go to coreform.com and buy your license, you'll be sent this email. So this should be in your email inbox. What you're going to do is you're going to go to this email link where it says login. You're going to select that and it's going to ask you to set your password. So this is the password that's associated with this email. So I'm just going to set it like that. Set password and log in. So now you can see you're on the home page for your account. So this will show you what licenses and what seats you have tied to this email address. So then from this page you go down here and you're going to download the latest build of Cubit right here. So I'm going to select and then it'll start downloading up here. So once that's finished downloading onto your computer, you're going to go up here. Then you're going to select it, then it's going to activate the launcher. Just wait a second. Then you're going to click yes. Okay, I'm going to drag this up here. So this is the setup wizard. So I'm going to click next. Here you can identify where you want this to download. Click next. And then the launcher is going to install it onto your computer. So we'll just wait for this to download. Alright, so now that that's downloaded, I'm going to keep this checked here so it'll just run when I press finished. I press finish right here, and then Cubit will activate and start up. So here's the license and agreement. And then you'll get to this page right here. This is the activation window. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in the email and password associated with your account right here. And that ties these two together, so it lets Cubit know that you have an active license. So I'm going to put my email in and the password, and then I'll click login. And this will be a Coreform hosted. There you go, it's launching. There you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the latest build of Cubit using your accounts portal. Thanks for watching, and more tutorials are available on our website if you need more help.